How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out and explaining the benefits of upgrading to this adjustable clutch cable kit from SVE, designed for the 1996 to 2004 Mustangs. This adjustable clutch cable kit from SVE is going to be for the SN95 and new Edge enthusiasts out there looking to replace or upgrade a factory setup or possibly freshen up what's already on the car. Now, this kit from industry leader SVE is going to include a heavy-duty adjustable clutch cable, an aluminum firewall adjuster, and an aluminum double hook clutch quadrant. Taking a closer look at each individual component of the kit, I'll go ahead and start with the cable first. This cable features a stainless steel inner cable and a low friction Teflon lining, which will allow for a long service life and the cable's ability to withstand aggressive pressure plate and clutch disc setups. It incorporates the correct angled bracket so you can properly retain it to the frame rail, as well as the threaded end for additional cable adjustment at the clutch fork. Next in the kit is SVE's aluminum firewall adjuster. This adjuster allows you to easily adjust cable tension from underneath the hood since it installs at the firewall. The reason for this is so that you can adjust cable tension as the clutch disc wears over time. It does have a quick click design and won't require any special jam nuts to keep the adjuster from rotating. 3 self-tapping screws are provided to properly secure the adjuster to the firewall. In order for both the cable and firewall adjuster to properly function, an aftermarket clutch quadrant is needed. This will replace the factory plastic quadrant, which is notorious for being failure prone and its inability to withstand aggressive clutch pressure plates and driving habits. This quadrant is a double hook design, which simply means the quadrant has 2 hooks for the fitting at the end of the cable. Since this kit includes a firewall adjuster, the cable will be positioned on the upmost hook once it's installed on the clutch pedal assembly. Now, one small thing to make note of is that folks typically stack washers or some sort of spacer between the quadrant and the pedal assembly. This will ensure that the quadrant and cable are centered with the cable entry point at the firewall. As far as installation goes, guys, this one is pretty straightforward. We won't be showing you how to do so in this video, but you can reference an installation video in the description. As far as fitment goes for this particular adjustable clutch cable kit, it will fit 4.6 liter 2-valve and 4-valve Mustangs. In the installation video, I do install this on a 1995 Mustang, and the only difference is the actual length of the cable. All of the steps will be verbatim for this kit. All in all here, fellas, this SVE adjustable clutch cable kit is a great kit to have, especially if you're upgrading from stock components or installing an upgraded clutch and pressure plate. Now, for the most up-to-date product information and pricing on this particular kit, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.